Hello everyone, I'm going to show how to use proximity prompt, but first if you want to like, subscribe, support me and put a bell on maybe so you can see more future tutorials. But yeah, so I'm going to teach you how to use proximity prompts, and this is part right here, and you can just put proximity prompt there, and let's first of all go with the properties. So let me actually put a script in here, lock a script and just get the path quickly so I can show you all. Alright, so first of all, proximity prompt dot action text is the same as action text right here. You can change it or you can check what it is. So you can do like if action text equals interact, then you can do whatever, but in this case you won't really check if it says interact with you unless you do. I don't know what for, but you could also do claim, like if interact says claim, then you would like claim a reward, and then you can do as if proximity prompt action text equal to claimed, then doesn't do anything. Then else if proximity prompt, or else meaning, as you can see, there's claim here, claim and claimed. So there'll be a timer to see when you can claim. So then that means you won't do anything anyway. And now it's pretty easy to do that one. And you can also change it as well. So if it says claimed, you can just do this one will equal claimed. I think that works, I'm not pretty sure, but we can actually test that now. And that goes to our next part, how to activate the proximity prompts. So let's do proximity prompt dot triggered it is, and then connect function, and this function right here, you can actually get the player who triggered it. So if you got player here, you can print player dot name has triggered this. And as you can see here, that if I go over here and I press it, you can see in console it says I've got code has triggered this. And yeah, so now let's actually go into checking this part, the claimed and not claimed and stuff. So first of all, let's default set it at with the delete script. So let's just say for starters, it can start at claim, and then this will make it so we could claim it. And let's go over here. As you can see, it says claim, and if I press it, it now says claimed, and now I can't really do anything because it's claimed. Now let's go into the hold durations, which you can see in the properties right here. Right now it's set as 0, but it could be anything. So up here we can do proximity prompt dot hold duration. This can also be changed in properties as well, but I'd rather do like this. Let's just say we want them to hold for 10 seconds maybe. And then if we play, and then we go over here, and we claim, see, you have to hold it for 10 seconds. If we go off it, it resets, and then it just goes all the way around to 10 seconds. And as you can see, it's about to be done, and it didn't change anything, but I think that should be changed. I wasn't really looking at that, but yeah, what else there can we do? There's also a distance part, max activation distance. So proximity prompt dot max activation distance. What this means is you have to be 10 studs, or I think it's by studs, I'm not quite pretty sure. So you can activate it. So let's just say you have to be by I don't know, 1 stud. Oh, actually, it's just 3. It's going to be like that. And then, oh, let me actually put it here so it's fine. Let's just say it's by 3 for now. So let's try and activate it when the UI is actually showing. Oh, okay, so it doesn't show until we are within 3. There we go. So that is basically what that does. It's actually distance between the player and the thingy, just like the magnitudes, and yeah. There's also a keyboard keycode. So how you reset this is in script. Now it's just properties first. In properties you can just select wherever, and if you want it to be W, then it'll be W to activate it. And if you want to do it from script, let's actually make this 2 seconds because I don't wait 10 seconds anymore. Okay, I'll do keyboard keycode from how to set it from the script is you do proximity prompt dot keyboard keycode equal to enum dot keycode, and then you would just do is that W right now? E. So let's actually comment this out and see what it is without the script. Alright, so let's go over here, and as you can see it's W. I can't press it anymore because it's now a W. So now if I change this to E and put the distance to 10 because I don't want to go really close anymore. And let's move it down here a bit so it's a bit closer to where I spawn. And then, alright, now I can see it's E. Then I can claim it now. And it's that easy. Alright, so this one works like, I haven't really tried this in script yet, but there's also one for a gamepad keycode for like your Xbox controller, which is now supported, which only supported on Roblox at the moment, but it'll be the same, I guess. So E, let's do game pad keycode. Can I do game pad? Wait, keycode. Wait, I don't think I can button. Oh, okay, so it does work here as well. So let's just say, let me actually show you without this. So I'm going to use my PS4 controller because surprisingly it works. Okay, so I can't really test it with my controller because it doesn't work in stereo for some reason, and it makes it so it doesn't pick up my mic anymore. So, well, anyway, it's going to be same like this. So if it's already set at X, we could change it as we did with the keyboard to D, for example, and I can't really show you that, but it should work. And for the mobile version, that's just going to be a mouse button, a mouse icon. You can just press it, hold it wherever, and it's the same. It will do everything, like to detect if it's triggered. Well, yeah, I think that's all the important things, like, other than like this play thing here, but this play thing is exactly like game.players.local player. It's exactly the same, but this just only gets this who triggered it. So it should be played anyway, but yeah. So thanks for watching. Like and subscribe for more tutorials, and yeah, peace.